Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's start a new discussion on CSS text spacing. The CSS text spacing in this chapter will be covering several topics on it. We'll be covering text indenting, letter spacing, line height, word spacing, and also white space in text spacing. In this chapter, you will learn about a lot, and you learn about some tricks, some cool tricks which you can use with your text anywhere you find yourself. Let me show you some of the things I'm trying to say. You are going to learn. Let's say for instance now, can you see the gap between our element right here, between our text right here, and also can you see the gap between our h1 tag and this legend element right here? We are going to be control all of this gently one by one. Even we will get to the point whereby we will control the font, we control the size, we control it much more better in a reasonable manner, in a professional way, so that you guys can be able to cope anywhere you find yourself. We do some things about this space you are seeing in between your legend element and also this h1 element right here. And also we control some spacing in between our text by themselves also. We do some gap also right here, some indentation, we will do it. We do a lot. So I want you guys to please stay focused and stay tuned. Right here you can check the new chapter we'll be talking about now is the text spacing. So you can check our CSS text spacing playlist to be able to follow along easily. So our CSS text spacing playlist, you can check it. As you can see, you can check this playlist, CSS text spacing playlist, for you to be able to follow along easily, to understand everything you have to know about everything I will be discussing about now. I think I have to stop here for now. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you.